It's another shop, guys. Whoa, I went down one floor and I'm in a massive cave. There's even a waterfall inside this building. It's crazy. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot what his name was. The Monkey King, yeah. That's the Monkey King. Awesome. Man, they got 2 waterfalls. Holy shit, man. 2 waterfalls. They're flexing. They're flexing on me now. Oh, damn. Did I just do a loop or something? What is going on? It's like I'm trapped in time, like a time loop, and it's just warping back and forth. Like a Black Mirror episode.